To replace a blown headlight bulb on a Chevrolet Uplander, we're going to remove the headlight assembly. To do that, we're going to start by removing these clips all across the top of the bumper cover. That helps to prevent from tearing up this rubber on the headlight assembly. To remove those clips, we'll pull up on them. I'm going to do all 5 across the top. Once those are removed, I'm going to remove this pin by rotating it and pulling it out. Once that's out, we're going to remove this bolt. It's a 10mm. Once that bolt is out, we'll pull out on the bumper cover and pull on the headlight and pull it the rest of the way out. Then we're going to unplug the headlight assembly. It's one plug. Press right here and pull. Depending on which bulb is blown, you can pull down on these clips on the side to unplug it from the headlight bulb by prying out on each side. Once that's done, you twist the headlight bulb and it'll slide out. This headlight bulb's good, so I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna put it back in, slide it in the slot, rotate it, then plug it back up. Once the bulb is changed, I'm going to plug the main connector back up first. Then I'm going to slide this corner in first. Pull out on the bumper cover and rotate the headlight into place. Once the headlight's back in place, I'm gonna make sure this is lined up for my clip to go back into. Push down on it, then rotate it. I want to rotate it so that it locks in into this clip. You have to pick back up on it just a hair, rotate it into place. Once that's back in place, put the 10mm bolt back in, tighten it up. Then I'm going to put my clips back in across the top. And that's it.